Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning student. Today we are going to learn plural they know. Plural they know means a noun changes into singular to plural. A noun we are going to change singular noun into plural noun. How we will change singular to plural? By adding s. Usually by adding s we will change singular to plural. As like that we are going to do in this. But we have some exceptions too. Before going to that, first we will see the les article and definite. Les article and definite, we have singular and plural. If it is a one, only one item or things, we will use an when. A means masculine, when means feminine. When. The plural for and when it is they. Whenever when comes, if you want to change into a plural, you have to use they. Un crayon. They crayon. Un crayon becomes they crayon. Un becomes they. When fille. A girl. When fille becomes they fille. Some girls. When. The meaning of when it is a or an. Only one person or one thing. They means plural. They means some boys, some girls, like that. Whenever the noun changes singular to plural, the article also should change its singular into plural. The nouns are classified into two things. One is masculine and feminine. So if there will be a article masculine and feminine in and definite that changes into plural. Now, how can we change this noun singular into plural? Usually how we will change by adding s only, isn't it? So, first point it is adding s, we will change a singular noun into plural noun. Example, un livre. Un livre means a book, only one book. They livre. Now, un becomes as they, livre become livre with s. So, it will be plural. By adding s, it will be plural. Une école, a school. Des écoles, some schools. Une école, it is feminine. Une is feminine, so une école. École, now only one school. Des écoles means some schools. Une becomes they, école become école avec s, with s. See some examples in which is given in your book. Un crayon. Here, un crayon means a pencil. Une règle, a scale. Règle means scale. Un garçon means a boy. Une fille, a girl. Now it changes into plural. When becomes as they crayon, they règle, they garçon, they fille. Singular changes into plural by adding s. Second one it is already s, x, z. Present it remains same. That means already the noun which has the ending s, x, z. There should not be any changes in plural because already the s, x and z which is in the singular, there is no need to change anything by adding s or x or any other things to change as a plural because both are same only. Singular and plural here it is same. So no need to change anything. See some examples in your fils, des fils. Une croix, un croix. Un nez, des nez. Here you see the ending s, x and z. Already which has the plural ending in the singular. So no need to change any other s or any other x or any other z to change it as a plural. You can see some examples in your book. Now ending in s, x and z in a singular do not change in the plural. Amba, une croix, un nez. Des bas, des croix, des nez. Here the pronunciation will be same because already I have told you in noun the endings won't be pronounced. Only the sound must pronounced in the French. The ending letter we won't pronounce. So ba, ba. Here both are ba. The difference will be we can identify in the article. So only article is very important. Am bar means only one thing. They bar means some. So using the article only we will identify it as a singular or plural. Next one it is, whenever the noun has the ending O, at the ending O, we should not use S to change as a plural, but we have to change X to the ending of O. Whenever a noun sounds O, AU or EAU, we should not use S to make it as a plural. Instead of that, we have to use X. When sound O comes, the plural will be X. So you have to add X to the noun ending O. Some examples for you. Ang gato, de gato. Ang gato, de gato. Fur, the fur. Fur, sound and O sound changes into X. Here also the sound, the pronunciation won't change, will be gato only. Only article has a singular and plural differentiation in oral. But written we can identify by adding X. We can identify it as a plural or singular. Listen carefully. Once again I will go through the text. In French, the nouns are classified into two gender. The nouns are classified into two gender. How you can identify the gender? Gender will be identified as by article, definite and indefinite. So far we learned indefinite. Indefinite means an, when, they. An means masculine, when means feminine, they means plural. So an, when means only one object or one thing. Whenever you are telling only one person or one things, you have to use an and when. If it is a plural, we have to use they. Whenever the noun singular change into noun plural, the article also change its plural to singular, singular to plural. So here and when, the article and when changes into they to make a plural. Whenever the noun change un crayon, when rag, un garçon, when fille, the singular noun changes into plural. It becomes des crayons, des règles, des garçons, des filles. There is no difference in the noun pronunciation. Only the article differs. The pronunciation of noun will be same. Only the article you can see the difference, un and they. The ending, in French, the ending won't be pronounced. Only the pronunciation will be pronounced. Sounds will be pronounced. But the consonant won't pronounce at the end. Second one, it is already if the noun has the ending S, X, Z, it will be same in the plural also. Only difference here also you can see in article. Third one, it is O and Whenever the O sound and sound comes, we won't use S at the ending. Here you have to use X. Here you have to use X. X you have to use. No, you should not use S. Instead of S, O, sound comes, you have to use X. And gato becomes de gato. And next one, and fur becomes de fur. O sound, sound comes means you have to change into X to make as a plural. I hope you understand this one. Thank you.